This is the model home, and it's the same layout, but this is what it looks like from the front door. You got huge, huge windows. Oh, big sun glare. And walk to the dining. Into the kitchen. Laundry room. And this basement's different, but pretty much the same. Yeah. Hang on, I said. Little guest bathroom, right when you walk in. Upstairs. And they would put this chalkboard back up for us too in the other one. Couple.
Put that away.
Oh, and put it back now. I don't care, you put it back. Told you, don't touch anything.
My room.
Okay, you can show your room. And that's pretty much it. I love this though. So nice. Alright, that's it.